Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. And in this week's video I have something brand spanking new for you guys, all about how to spray varnish a painting. Everything I'm using is down in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. If you guys are new around here, welcome to the family. My name is Danielle. I'm the artist behind Creative Girl of Color. If you love art tutorials and art life, think about subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell for all notifications. So let's get started. When using a spray varnish, you definitely want to be somewhere where it's lots of ventilation. That's why I'm heading outside, because it is way too strong to be spraying in the house, right? So I have everything laid out. I would definitely recommend that you also get a mask or maybe some gloves to protect your hands. These are the products I'm using. I'm using, I think, Krylon Kmart spray varnish. I think you can use this like on oil paintings, acrylic, and also if I'm not mistaken, watercolor. But I definitely would recommend that you wait at least 6 months if you're going to use this on an oil painting, because this is, even though they say it's not a permanent varnish, it is kind of like a permanent varnish, right? So definitely do that. You want to shake it up, and shake it up for 1 or 2 minutes before you actually get started, especially if it's a brand new bottle. You can pick this up at any craft store, Michael's, Joann's, whatever, right? And you definitely want to pick you up a mask. I got this from my local Lowe's, and this is a pretty good mask. I think you get like a pack of them for like $3 to $6, depending on the brand and how much protection you get. I like to use this even though I'm outside, because I need full protection, you guys. I do not want to smell this stuff. This stuff is gnarly, okay? It is so strong. It is so crazy. So you definitely want to have that. And even you could even try to use some gloves too. I would definitely recommend that you guys wash your hands after you finish this process. And yes, so step 1. As you can see, I'm like vigorously shaking this stuff up because I need to be able to shake it up beforehand. I'm testing it out, spraying it on a different area, like the sides of the painting, and now I'm doing a sweeping motion. You want to keep moving, you guys. Keep moving as you're doing this, shaking, moving, shaking, and moving. That is the key to this. Also, you want to make sure that your painting is laying flat on a surface, maybe a box, table, chair, something, so that the varnish doesn't run off the side and cause, lumps and bumps and stuff like that. That way you get an even coverage. You can see I'm spraying, I'm constantly moving, always moving all over the painting, shaking as I go, getting an even coat. Now you want to let this stuff dry. Once you do that for at least 15 to 20 minutes, let it stand for maybe an hour. And as you can see, voila, it is shining and looking beautiful. I leave it outside for about 2 to 3 hours, and then I bring it inside. But even then, it's really strong, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.